The ozone layer is a shield high up in the Earth's atmosphere. This layer is vital for life on Earth. It absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would be very different. UV radiation can cause skin cancer and eye damage in humans. It can also harm plants and animals. The ozone layer acts like sunscreen for our planet. It protects us from the worst of the sun's rays. The ozone layer is made up of a gas called ozone. Ozone is a special form of oxygen. It is formed and destroyed naturally in the stratosphere. The stratosphere is a layer of the atmosphere about 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The ozone layer is constantly being formed and destroyed. However, human activities have upset this natural balance. This has led to a thinning of the ozone layer, particularly over Antarctica.
Human activities release certain chemicals into the atmosphere. These chemicals are called ozone-depleting substances, or ODS. ODS include chlorofluorocarbons, halogens, and methyl bromide. CFCs were once widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. Halogens were used in fire extinguishers. Methyl bromide is a fumigant used in agriculture. When ODS reach the stratosphere, they break down ozone molecules. This thinning of the ozone layer is called ozone depletion. It allows more UV radiation to reach the Earth's surface. Ozone depletion has serious consequences for human health and the environment. It increases the risk of skin cancer, cataracts, and immune system suppression. It can also damage crops and marine ecosystems.
Waste management is a critical aspect of environmental protection. It involves the collection, treatment, and disposal of waste materials generated by human activities. Effective waste management is essential for protecting public health, conserving resources, and preventing pollution. Improper waste disposal can have severe consequences. It contaminates water sources, pollutes the air, and degrades the soil. Landfills, if not managed properly, release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Waste management is a global challenge. As the world's population grows, so does the amount of waste we generate. This requires innovative and sustainable solutions for managing waste effectively.
Waste management isn't just a local issue, it's a global necessity. As our population increases, the waste we generate also grows. We need innovative and sustainable solutions to manage waste effectively.
Section 4. Methods of waste disposal. There are several methods of waste disposal, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Landfilling is the most common method. It involves burying waste in the ground. Landfills must be carefully designed and managed to prevent contamination of groundwater and the surrounding environment. Incineration is another method of waste disposal. This involves burning waste at high temperatures. Incineration reduces the volume of waste and can generate energy. However, it also produces air pollution and ash that must be disposed of properly. Composting is a natural process that breaks down organic matter, such as food scraps and yard waste, into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Recycling involves processing used materials such as paper, glass, and metals into new products. Recycling conserves resources and reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills. Biogas generation involves breaking down organic waste in the absence of oxygen to produce biogas, a renewable energy source. Biogas can be used for cooking, heating, and electricity generation. Section 5. Waste segregation, a simple step for a healthier planet. Waste segregation is the process of separating waste materials into different categories at the point of generation. It is a simple yet effective step towards better waste management. When waste is segregated, it becomes easier to recycle, compost, or dispose of it safely. Segregating waste has numerous benefits. It reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills, conserves natural resources, and prevents pollution. It also promotes public health by reducing the risk of contamination from hazardous waste.
Waste segregation can be implemented at home, in schools, offices, and communities. By adopting simple practices, we can all contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment.
I bet you didn't know how acid rain forms and its devastating effects on our environment. Acid rain is primarily caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which react with water molecules in the atmosphere to produce acids. When this acidic precipitation falls to the ground, it can lead to severe environmental degradation, harming forests, lakes, and even buildings. Aquatic life suffers immensely as acid rain lowers the pH of water bodies, making them uninhabitable for many species. Even human-made structures are not spared, as acid rain accelerates the decay of buildings and monuments. Understanding the causes and effects of acid rain is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate its impact and protect our environment.